Welcome back, GlamFam. It's Angela Denise, and I am here with you today with my very first eyeshadow tutorial using one of the new holiday palettes from Mcgrath, the Dark Star Subliminal palette. And you guys, you already know that I was going to get these palettes, right? I did get all three of them. I have just kind of had them in a box. I haven't really been able to touch them because I just kind of been really busy lately. But anyhow, you guys know what they look like. You get the 6 shades with the little plastic cover on there with the eyeshadow names on them. So today we are going to create the eyeshadow that you see on my eyes right now, and then at the very end I'll go ahead and do swatches so that you can see what they look like on my skin tone. All of the makeup that I have on my face today will be listed down in the description bar, just in case you were wondering about any other details on my makeup that I have today. Okay, dolls, I am super excited today. I'm finally getting the chance to go ahead and use my Mcgrath Mothership mini palettes that came out for holiday 2018. Truth be told, I was super excited about this one the most, simply because I don't really have a palette that has this color scheme in my collection. So yeah, today we're going to go ahead and dive in to this particular palette, and this is going to be the first of many. So we'll go ahead and start in with Deep Space. And I'm taking a Morphe M441 brush. So when I'm working with Mcgrath's eyeshadows, I like to go in and build up the color gradually. So I just picked up a little bit, and I'm just going to go ahead and build up my transition, well, crease and transition color. Then I'll go in with my MAC 224 blending brush, not adding any color, and I'm just going to blend out the edges. Then I'm going to go in to Dark Matter. And I'm going to be taking a very small crease brush. And I'm not going to be adding a lot of this color, but gradually building it up. I'm going to take this Morphe M514 brush, and I'm going to pick up a little bit more dark space and just go right into that crease. Back in with the small crease brush, picking up just a tiny bit of Dark Matter. Now that we have the eye shape laid, let's go in with a little bit of Enraptured, and that's this really pretty gold color here. I've got my Crown C510. This one is comparable to the MAC flat shader brush that we all know and love. So I've got both sides of the brush coated, and I'm just going to go in and just pat this color in here. I'm going to go back in with that very small crease brush. Okay, so I have a very small flat shader brush here. I'm going to pick up the color Entice, and this is kind of like a really light, beautiful, it's kind of like light gold, kind of looks a little bit, not really rose gold, but it's a light gold. It has kind of a pink undertone. Yeah, It kind of has a little bit of a pink undertone to me. So I'm going to take that and I'm going to put this on the brow bone, but just making sure not to apply too much. And I think that is going to be the eye. Of course, you know I got to finish up the bottom eye. I'm going to finish up my left eye and my face, and then I'll be right back to do the bottom half of the eyes with you and apply lashes. Okay, dolls, we are back, and I want to go ahead and just finish up this look really quickly. So I'm going to go ahead and take my Marc Jacobs gel liner in Blacker, and I'm going to line my waterline. And then I'm going to take the shade Deep Space and smudge that under my lash line. And this is Deep Space. Last thing for the eyes is I'm going to take a little bit of Entice, the color that I used on my brow bone. Picking up just a little bit of it because these shadows are so pigmented that I don't want it to be more intense than I want it to be. I'll go ahead and apply my lashes and mascara, and I'll be right back. Okay, dolls, it's gonna wrap up today's look using the Pat McGrath Mothership Dark Star Subliminal palette. You guys, it is literally everything that I would imagined it to be. Of course, the pigmentation is on point. I'm really loving the color scheme in the palette, and I cannot wait to dive into the other palettes because I literally haven't touched them at all. So if you guys want to see the swatches for this palette on my skin tone, just keep on watching. Okay, dolls, let's go ahead and get into the swatches for the Dark Star Subliminal palette, currently available at Sephora.com and PatMcGrath.com for $55. You can purchase a set at PatMcGrath.com for like a better price. You get more of a bundle deal. So we're gonna go ahead and start the swatches. Starting with this beautiful blue shade is Dark Matter. It's very nice and creamy. It's definitely very textured. Oh God. Second is that beautiful purple plummy shade. It looks like a satin formula. This is Metropolis. It's a very beautiful texture. Third is Enraptured. This is a matte black formula. Absolutely stunning, buttery smooth. Next is Entice. The texture is just amazing. This color is stunning, you guys. Here is Deep Space. It's the driest out of the palette. It's drier than the black color. It's absolutely stunning. This is Enraptured. again, a great texture. Love them all. So that's gonna wrap up my swatches of the Dark Star palette. I hope that you guys enjoyed my tutorial today. Until the next time, dolls, I will see you later. Bye bye.